Bonk burst onto the crypto scene as one of the wildest dogs in the digital world. Built on the Solana blockchain, this meme coin can be seen as the Dogecoin of Solana, but faster, younger, and a little more rebellious. When it first appeared at the end of 2022, no one expected it to make such an impact. Yet, as the Solana ecosystem began recovering from its major downturn, Bonk became a symbol of revival and community spirit. What makes Bonk truly interesting is its genuine belief in decentralization. During its launch, the developers distributed a massive portion of the supply through an airdrop to the Solana community. In other words, this coin isn't controlled by a few big players. It's shaped and driven by the people themselves. That's why it proudly calls itself the People's Dog Coin. Technically, Bonk takes advantage of Solana's lightning-fast network. Unlike Ethereum, where gas fees can be painfully high, transactions on Solana happen in the blink of an eye and cost next to nothing. That makes Bonk attractive not only to investors, but also to developers. It started with a total supply of 100 trillion tokens, but with burn mechanisms in place, the supply is expected to decrease over time, potentially increasing scarcity and value in the long run. But Bonk isn't just about technology or tokenomics, it's about culture. The community around it is what truly gives it life. From viral social media memes to NFT collections, and even Solana-based games featuring Bonk mascots, this project has evolved into something more than just a cryptocurrency. People who buy Bonk aren't just investing, they're joining a movement, a collective vibe. Of course, it's important to remember that meme coins come with high risk. Prices can skyrocket with a single tweet, but they can crash just as fast. That's why most Bonk holders see it less as a safe investment and more as a fun community experiment or ecosystem play. In short, Bonk represents the spontaneous, energetic, and rule-breaking side of crypto. If you see cryptocurrency not only as a financial tool, but also as a cultural movement, Bonk perfectly captures that spirit. It's not just a coin, it's a symbol of Solana's comeback and the power of community-driven projects.